The meeting purpose for the discussion is for the clarify what is the framework of JB, and we discussed what kind of a JB structure can be workable. And
Yes.
first, I wonder what is the role of you, also the Rosalie's role. I will define myself, our role for JB for Sofrapan. The EcoWorldPharm give me the 1 year negotiation right as exclusive right, so I can discuss, I can define what is the business model in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. So later I will explain more details about our framework, but want to know your role and Rosalie's role and what is the Rosalie's companies are.
Okay. Let me just clarify on the Dr. Rosalind situation. Okay.
Yeah.
So when I had a meeting with her, okay, I consider her as one of the joint venture partner, to
Uh-huh.
collaborate as a Malaysian entity
Mm-hmm.
to undertake this joint venture project. All
Mm-hmm.
right. So she is not the only person or the only company that I invite, okay, to collaborate to form this joint venture, business with Eco World Farm from South Korea. But latest development is that I have a few other investors,
I see.
including myself,
Mm.
okay, who might take up this equity in this joint venture project.
Oh.
So therefore,
Mm.
I see myself as the not only just a business development consultant, but also as a potential investor
I
in,
see.
in undertaking this joint venture project, because I have one small venture capital company,
Mm.
which later on, if the framework and the along the way the negotiation is a win-win basis, then I will use this company as a company that will comprise of other investors,
Mm.
and this company will be used as the company that will joint venture with
Mm.
Eco World, Farm from South
Mm.
Korea.
Understand.
All right.
So, you and me, kind of same position. Like,
Yes.
we are not just a consultant. We can be the business, the
Yeah.
entity, bring finding investor and finding partner.
Right.
Yes, understood.
Okay.
So Rosalind is one of the your
Potential.
potential.
Potential. Yeah.
Okay, that's why today's
Investor.
discussion can be we know each other first for joint fee structure,
All right.
then you can find somebody else or
Yes.
to be a partner.
Yes.
Now clear. Mm.
All right.
Okay. Uh, my part with the Equord Farm is the factory manufacturing basis, a factory, and they produce the Sofrapan and other the brand. But to me, I'm helping them for overseas expansion, business development because their lack of understanding of Malaysia market and Southeast Asia. As a former director of a Decathlon, I have experience, and my English, my ability can expanding and set the form of JB and this kind of company for last 9 companies in Malaysia as well. So
Okay.
to me, I'm helping him to enter the Malaysia market, but I know that is very costly, very expensive, and very difficult to enter marketing by alone. So that's why the Peter, me, same ideas to find some right investor and partner to enter the market. But to me, the beginning, the Dr. O, the CEO of EcoWorldPharm, he told me that to do set up the JB, we have to know clarify how much quantity we can distribute it and what year and how long and who is the investor and what is the market share.
Right.
Without this prediction, difficult to set up the JB at this moment. But to me, in any way, we can set the JV for future partnerships and as well to find the right framework. Otherwise, once you start the distribution, later more complicated, more difficulty. So the set the right plan, then we can prepare the JB as well as a marketing expansion because many work to do. So in
Yeah,
that
yeah,
sense, I agree with your JV partnership to set up. So
right.
to me, want to know what the situation, what your own idea of potential for sulfur in Malaysia market. Mm.
Okay, let me start by saying that I am when I did my master's degree
Yes,
from Washington University, I was doing a thesis on food technology.
I
All right,
see. You
so
must.
I consider myself as a food technologist. That's
Mm,
why I am so passionate
I see.
about this future joint venture project with EcoFarm.
I
All right.
see. Mm,
So when I introduce myself to you all, when I submit to you all my academic and other
mm,
background,
mm-hmm.
I was also involved. I was also an entrepreneur who introduced one health supplement products.
I see.
The three apple fiber. That was
Mm,
about 10 years ago. So that's
mm,
why I am still uh, doing research to look for products like products from EcoWorldPharm, which I'm very impressed, especially
mm,
sulforapane and also
mm.
the sleeping products. Okay,
I
I
see.
did share with you all about what are the potential of these products in
I see.
Malaysia as well as in ASEAN region.
Mm,
Okay, the potential is very big. What we need to do later on, if we agree on this framework, we have to do a business plan, all
mm.
right, and marketing plan.
I
you
see.
know so I think we agreed that in order to market and distribute this product, we have to do it via a multi-level marketing company.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
so I was my thought is that if we have to do this joint venture project with EcoFarm,
Mm-hmm.
this joint venture company, I feel that it should be a multi-level company.
That's
Okay.
right.
So how do you see? What is your thought about this? What is your response on this my proposal?
Okay. For set up the JV with network marketing
Yeah.
is workable because the I know the Malaysia market
Right.
is one by one quite difficult, but in network marketing is quite strong. And
Right.
this one, nothing but education. So for before knowing about these products, people not easily can find what is the benefit. But once they educated, sulforaphane is the uncounted. I mean the numerous the consumption until it
Yeah.
stop to end because they can see the changes. So without any big investment of marketing, the people know by learning and education for the people's the mouse to mouse the marketing. So to me, network marketing is the right choice. But to me, the same strategy like Huawei and Kuku did in Malaysia market,
Yes. Yes.
network marketing in Malaysia. In Korea, they also network marketing, but in Korea, the conceptions and prejudice about the network marketing is not that positive, so quite a difficult to introduce the item to buy network marketing. But in Malaysia, like Amway or the Kowei, they did pretty good up there. So I feel that it's good potential to the network marketing. So what I agree with the Dr. O, we can work with network marketing since the Peter introduced the U with the company, the Rosen's companies as well. The other is no problem because we are confident in the product. The one thing I can mention that next the month we start the trial test for the human who had a cancer. So during
Mm,
the cancer treatment, the sulforaphane helping to recovering the process with the sulforaphane because it's a mitochondria the itself then helping
Right.
producing. So once this finished trial test to finish it by Seoul National University, which is number one university research institute in Korea, then we believe that this demands is quite huge. And I also, from Malaysia or any other big major companies, pharmaceuticals company can be interested. One of the big pharmaceutical company, they want to purchase this formula and these companies. But Dr. O and his investor, they are more like the has a good dream for the human entities, like humans, lifelong can be attention by
Yeah.
someone and good indeed. So he doesn't want to sell this company only for money. And in Malaysia as well, the very principle is helping our partner to set up and to marketing for that purpose to they can do. But the thing is that the EcoWorldPharm still look for investor for overseas partner, even local partner, and they don't have a proper education center. They have office in Seoul, but manufacturing in countryside of the Seoul area. So I mean the south area of the Seoul. I mean the Korea Peninsula. So
Okay.
means they can willing to supporting but not huge investment. Also, they still look for investor. So what I feel is once this finishes this all national universities trial test done, then I'm sure they will get the investment. Then they will put the portion to oversee the sales and the marketing as well as in marketing in Korea as well. Now not much money to invest overseas, but has a potential. They invest more money to producing this the fine broccolis and more good quality of items because the weaknesses of this product is during humidities and hot warm area
Yeah, yeah, correct.
can be sustained for longer. So they have to find it out this technology to be daytime and the without the humidities can be safe for that all the effects.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, let's talk about. You mentioned just now about the product sulforaphane.
Yep.
I have already taken, the products for the past, 2 months,
Mm-hmm.
and of course, since I don't have those chronic and degenerative
I see.
diseases like dementia,
But you
or
look great. Yes.
yeah, I know. So it's more for maintaining my health.
Mm.
I feel energized. I feel good.
Oh. Oh.
I think it has helped me to enhance my immune system.
Very
You see,
good.
so especially I for the past 1 year, I get often flu. You know what I
Yep.
mean? And
Yep.
then the phlegms is stuck in my lung,
I
and it
see.
takes nearly a month, to recover. All
Oh.
right. But after taking this product,
Mm-hmm.
when I got my flu,
Uh-huh.
I don't have that problem of removing my phlegms,
Wow. Wow.
meaning that I can recover faster. Instead
Yeah.
of within
Very good.
1 month, I recovered about 1 week, about
I
10 days,
see. I see.
with this product. So that is a good uh,
Mm.
product. But the only reservation I have, like you mentioned just now, that this sulforaphane has to be stored in the refrigerator.
Yes.
Okay, that is, I think, the limitation, and that is where EcoFarm has to do further R&D on how we can convert,
Yes.
that powder into
Yes.
tablet form.
Yes.
So have you all done any kind of R&D, in converting, instead of taking capsule, and
Mm-hmm.
instead of this product being put in the refrigerator, convert that into a tablet whereby it can be stored, at
Mm.
normal temperature.
Mm.
To respond, Dr. Dorian.
Uh, that is still they have to overcome. The
Mm,
sulforaphane is quite a sensitive the formula. So that's why for 30 years, no one can actually produce from
Yeah,
broccoli
correct.
life sense. So that is difficulties, but once they succeed, they can figure out the solutions. Now the researchers from India, actually IIT members,
Mm-hmm.
and the famous universities, the doctors, and they study on this. But if they make it success without the refrigerator, the
Yeah,
preservations,
yeah.
that might be huge, huge. The investment will be coming, and they dominated the market. So for you and me, we are lucky because they're still unstable the position for. That's why it needs some our support. So
Mm.
once they have this kind of preparation done, they don't need him others anymore because the huge major the company will be contacting them directly. So
Mm.
so far we keep these opportunities at this beginning stage. Then later they finalize of the these weaknesses problem solving. Then we can do better to the promotion and marketing. So now still have difficulties. We understood, yeah. So, but their weaknesses should be done. But my prospect it could be in about 1 year or something, because
Okay.
not at the same time. And we have also the other ideas. Why don't you produce this one as like ice cream or cold refrigerator water drinkable things or
Mm.
invisible thing? Many ideas to keep this the product is cool. And maybe
Yeah.
we develop some refrigerator to keep a special purpose. So
Mm.
many ideas work on, but now still they have a difficulties as you mentioned.
Okay. So, not running away from this framework. Now, this, like I mentioned just now, should the joint venture project between my, investors, myself, with EcoFarm, should we form a multi-level company as a joint
Yep.
venture project? Should
Yes.
we?
Yep.
Yep.
I agree with that as a
Yes.
multi-network marketing, because
Yeah.
this JB purpose is no manufacturing.
Yes, you got
Marketing
that
is workable, and then nothing but human,
right.
nothing but
Okay.
human. Not
Okay.
much investment can be done.
All right. Now, if we have to form a joint venture company, what would be the structure like? What is the name of that company then? You know?
To me, to Sulfur Fund is quite a good naming, but hard to pronounce it.
Right.
And we are targeting Southeast Asia for this
Right.
item. But the brand itself, Dr. Broco and Self-Papa, we already promoted. Like Dr. Broco got the brand award or now in the news media,
Yeah.
and everyone knows the broccoli is good. So
Yeah.
we can use the Dr. Broco. So
Okay.
what my suggestion is, the EcoWorldPharm is company name in Korea. It's manufacturing name. uh, the distribution starting with the Sulfrapan brand.
Yeah.
Later we can do Slippy, the other works. So
Okay.
only thing is the Broco, Dr. Broco, this is the brand name.
Okay.
So anything with the Broco, like Broco World, Broco Farm, Broco Malaysia, Broco
Yeah.
whatever. So
Yeah.
I would be with the Broco means we can keep this consistency. We will sell the broccoli items. So with the broccoli, I'm okay, and the other names also workable. Only
Okay.
thing is the Malaysia and the South Asia, because end users like that, and you have to work with dealing with the government a lot. So sometimes broccoli hard to pronounce it in Malaysian way. So anything is good name, but this item from broccoli, so emphasize broccoli. The other thing is Korea. So
Yeah.
with this name, anything is possible,
Yeah.
because maybe normally simple name.
I agree with you. We use this brand.
Mm,
Okay. But
mm,
when we mention about Dr. Broco, doctor sounds like human. You know what I
mm.
mean?
Yes,
So we
human.
have to coin a brand whereby it's more of a product.
Yes,
So that would be good. So let's think of an idea of we don't remove that word broco
yes,
because
broccoli.
you know That
Yeah.
is the key word. That is very
Yeah.
critical, you
Agree.
know.
Agree. Yep.
So we have to come up with something without the word doctor, because when
Okay.
you say doctor, I mean, they're talking about is that a human being or what? You
Yes.
know what I mean?
Exactly.
Okay,
Mm.
so agreed. So you are saying that now we are going to form an MLM company
Mm-hmm.
to market and distribute Dr. Broker first,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Okay, so we're going to promote that, and we're going to do, a fantastic, what we call advertisement and promotion later on. All right. So
Okay.
now, looking at the framework of this multi-level company, since it's going to be based in Malaysia.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in order to expedite the approval, and to get all the necessary approval, like Jakim Halal, JLL, the direct selling license and everything. May I suggest, it's up to you all, that 51% has to be a Malaysian equity,
I see.
okay,
51. Yeah.
and 49% would be from the Korean counterpart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So especially if you talk about 51%, I think Peter knows better that better still if it is going to be a Bumiputra
I
equity.
see. Yes. Local
Bumiputra means
like
from
you.
West
Yeah.
Malaysia as well from Sabah.
I see.
So the definition of Bumiputra,
Benefit.
has benefits to it.
Yes. I know.
So in terms of approval, in terms
Mm-hmm.
of getting, funds, from Malaysia, because
Mm-hmm.
what I have in mind is that you mentioned that this product is still under R&D to come up with
Mm-hmm.
a better formula, and how to convert that into what we call tablet form or whatever. we
Mm-hmm.
can we can apply for a grant
I
in
see.
Malaysia, a
Mm.
big grant, so that is where the potential is. If 51 equity by the Malaysian would be a Bumuputra Malaysian
I see.
investors.
Mm. So mean is research can be in Malaysia and not only
Correct.
marketing.
Yeah,
You mean the with the fund we can do many work at
exactly.
the
You
JV.
can even do this research with top Malaysian universities also,
I
if we
see.
form this company.
Mm.
So we will do the brainstorming later on once we agree to this framework. So are
Okay.
you agreeable, Dr. Dorian?
Yes.
Company in
Yes.
Malaysia, based in Malaysia, 51% equity from Malaysian, investors,
Mhm.
49% from the Korean counterpart. Are you agreeable on that?
Okay, 51%, I had experience in Malaysia, and
Okay.
51% is mean even equal investment, mostly this company driven by the Malaysian local.
Right.
So
Yes.
I would say this company is a more Malaysian company. Mean
Yes.
is we have to separate it, all the marketing, business plan done by Malaysians. The Korean
Okay. That
part,
is what you are suggesting, is it?
yes, the Korean can be charged for distribution, for produce the products and supporting for items the product. But the mostly 51% is considered as like local company.
Yeah.
So I think Dr. O and me myself it's difficult to operating this company. Maybe a sometime partner and like a share partner, something like that. But
Yeah.
mostly can be organized by Malaysia and Bumaputri, like you
Okay.
said, locally operated for the distributions and the
Yes.
network marketing. So
Right.
it can be the license basis.
Yeah.
Even 50-50 not workable. Maybe Malaysian part 60% and
Okay.
Korean part is 40%. It's more
Okay.
workable.
All right.
Koreans are charging on the products and the marketing strategy, all the thing. And
Yes.
anything supportive one can be provided. So it's
Yeah.
like kind of distribution partnerships. Even the
Yes.
TV is Bumaputri, we don't know how to apply the Bumaputri part, how to dealing with the government, we don't know. So
Yes.
this is important for the network marketing in Malaysia. And you have the ideal concept,
Yeah.
find the investor to the distribution, whatever. So
Okay.
what I think we agree over 51 over, not just 51, 51 over based on Malaysia. And the role can be defined what Malaysian, what Korean can do based on
Can.
this. And
Can.
wonder what is the capital investment for the initial equity investment. What do you think?
Yeah.
Set up this fund.
Okay. Offhand, off the cuff, all right. If you want to form a multi-level company in Malaysia, there is a condition, there is a criteria. Okay, for a non-Bumi company, if I'm not mistaken, is 5 million,
5 million.
5 million ringgit.
Mm,
For a Bumi, I think it's less than that.
I see.
So anyway, I'll find out from. I will get the info
Mm,
on the criteria and the requirements to get license of a multi-level company in Malaysia, or most probably maybe to cut the thing short, we
I
may
see.
need to engage
Mm,
a multi-level marketing consultant. I've already checked, in AI,
mm-hmm.
a few top-notch, multi-level marketing consultant in Malaysia. They can do everything for us,
Mm-hmm.
everything for us from A to Z. From applying, and of course, on the network marketing compensation plan. What
Okay.
would be the best, marketing compensation plan for the distributors?
Okay. So equity can be defined after more research, right? Not at
Yes,
this moment. Okay. So clarify, but below 5 million ringgit.
below 5 million. Yes, Perak Capital will be below 5 million.
Okay. So
Okay,
pay
I will find out exactly what would be the actual Perak capital of a Bumi Putra multi-level company in Malaysia. Okay.
Can I, Johnny?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Let me recap. Let
Yeah.
me recap. Number one, uh, Rocco is a very nice name.
Right.
I agree with that. And
Yeah.
personal opinion,
Yeah.
my personal opinion. The word Proco very good because it actually tells uh, where do we come from.
Right.
Just remove the word doctor away because doctor Broco with the word of doctor, uh, it's a sick name.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a sick name. You just remember people are sick.
Yeah.
But if you use Broco,
Yeah.
it's a very good name because it comes from nature.
Right.
So just maintain the word Broco, number one.
Okay.
And number two, you have a very distinct product, Don. And I also want to convey this to Dr. Jess O. Refrigerator, it's good, unique. It could be a strength. Okay, it could be a very strong strength
Rather than
uh,
weakness, that's how you see it,
rather
right?
than weakness.
Okay.
Okay, it's a strength. It's a unique.
All right.
So many supplements that I see in the market are all tablet.
Yeah. Okay.
So there's no uniqueness of it.
Okay.
And if you said refrigerator, you command a premium.
Okay.
Okay, so I think it should be marketed in that way.
All right.
Personal opinion,
Okay.
because you don't find any supplement refrigerated. So when you say refrigerated, you are actually a premium.
Mm,
But
Okay.
how are you going to do the packaging, this and that?
Yeah.
It can be discussed. Uh, just like people marketing ice cream,
Yeah.
mm,
So that can be done later on.
mm.
Mm.
Now, go back to your joint venture.
Yes.
There are actually a lot of ML company on sale in the market.
Okay.
You don't need necessary to buy it.
Mm,
Okay.
To invest consultant.
mm,
Okay.
There is a market.
All
There
right.
are quite a lot of ML who did not do well.
mm,
Okay, but it does not necessarily mean you guys cannot do well.
mm,
Mhm.
You can actually bought from them.
mm,
They are not that expensive.
Okay,
mm.
Dr. Peter.
You- Let me
It's,
finish first.
yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Yes.
Then you can. So perhaps that's another one option.
Mm,
Mm.
Okay, besides then Tatu suggests
mm.
Yeah.
there could be one option. Okay, that's number three. Regarding the structure of going into JV, I will suggest for the time being, maybe marketing the product first. Get the product right first.
Mm,
Check the market behavior
mm,
before you embark into a series of JV,
mm,
because that was in the interest of both party,
mm, mm,
so that both party will not get burned, but rather than strategize it, looking a winning
mm,
formula.
mm.
Mhm.
That's my personal opinion, Tatu and Doan.
Yeah.
Uh, I may be right or I may be wrong,
Okay.
but it's only a personal opinion or share with you people
Mm,
so that you might see certain things
mm,
further than what I'm seeing.
Mhm.
And I just listen what you guys been talking.
mm,
Okay.
So as I said, focus on the product.
mm,
It's a premium.
mm,
If you say refrigerator supplement, I never heard of it.
mm,
But when I was in Korea, when I tried the product,
mm,
I think they are good.
mm.
Okay. Can
Okay,
I
I
respond?
that's my
Yeah.
opinion. I
Yeah.
leave it
Okay.
now
Thank
to
you so
you.
much.
Okay. Can I respond to Dr. Peter's opinion? Okay. So I think Dr. Peter is right that this is going to be in future capital intensive investment. All
Mm,
right. So in order to manage the cost, like Dr. Peter mentioned, if I'm not mistaken, correct me, that maybe we form this joint venture company as a sole distributor first.
All
mm,
right,
Okay, okay, and then we have to search,
absolutely.
in the market, where will be our channel of distribution. We start based on that business model first and
mm,
see what would be the response. All right, so that will, in a sense, reduce our cost of investment. Like I
mm,
mentioned, the MLM company, I know the paid capital requirement is 5 million and below. Okay, but by forming, a joint venture company to distribute this product in the market, maybe it's going to be less than 1 million, or depends on how you're going to do it. Of course, the product will come direct from Korea, come direct from Eco Farm. Is it going to be in that capsule form, or is it going to be in raw form, whereby there are so many manufacturing OEM company here in Malaysia. You know what I mean?
mm,
So cut the cost, EcoFarm should be able to export this product to one particular, manufacturing firm here in Malaysia, and we do an OEM.
mm,
All
You know?
right.
All right. So from there on, we come up with a branding of Broco. All right. And then, of course, we have to follow, the Kementerian, the Ministry of Health Malaysia's requirements, as well as JAKIM requirements and everything. That one we can do. We don't need a consultant, Our, being a Malaysian partner here, we will do the job. All right. Now, of course, there will be a cost involved. All right. So this is where I may come in and do those things,
mm,
under the joint venture, project. Okay, so then we will see what will be the cost involved, what will be the role of the Malaysian investors counterpart and the Korean counterpart. So Dr. Dorian, you can. I agree with Dr. Peter. Then,
mm. Okay.
I think we have to form a joint venture company to start marketing on a small scale first. you
Okay.
know so it can be, to the pharmacies, or it can be through agency. I've done that before. We form a company, we appoint, stockists.
Mm,
you know I can share later on with that concept,
mm,
where, especially the Malay market. Okay, I'm touching on the Malay market. The
Mm.
Malay market, is big.
mm,
I'm sure you know. And
Now 70% are Malay
70% of
of
Malay.
population.
And
That's simple.
correct. And then if we
Yeah.
talk about the sleeping problem, dementia, Alzheimer, the Malay, have a higher percentage of
Yes.
population
Of course.
suffering from that kind of, health problems. So, okay, we put that in the role whereby the Malaysian, partner, will do the job. But we have to look at the cost. We have to share the cost, of course, based on 51%, 49 or 60/40. Okay, those things I think, Dr. Dorian, you can put that in writing, do a draft first, what would be our role and what would be your role.
Okay.
And most important is, of course, going to be the price.
Mm.
What would be the retail price of this product, in the market, and then
Okay.
what would be our cost.
Okay.
Dr.
I
Dorian?
think the investment cost, I think it could be very minimum.
Yes.
Uh, Dr. Doan, our last meeting with the secretary of the Malaysia Pharmacies Association, remember,
Yeah. Yeah.
she is willing to assist us if we want to sell through the pharmacy store.
Mm,
Okay, but N and L they will not touch. This is what they have been saying.
right.
The Pharmacists Association is already a platform for you to dispose your product. Okay, the most important thing is you have to get it certified, like Jakim, Hala,
Right. Right.
and so forth. That is the only issue. Once you can clear that, then they are prepared to do the your stockies or whatever it is. Or
Mm,
you can even appoint a pharmaceutical company to be your stockies. That's our discussion when we were talking to the secretary
yeah.
of the pharmacist when you were in KK. When
Mm.
you have met her, her name is Jamina. The mother was the president of the Malaysia Pharmacists Association.
Mm,
And she actually gave a very good advice.
Yeah.
Perhaps you move on that line.
For Jakim, with this trial, we don't have to apply full of halal process because it's the kind of a trial period. So what
Correct.
we suggest to the Dr. O at World Farm, there's a company research lab name is Halbeck. Their former uh, Jakim secretary opened the company. So all the Jakim, the products, they have to send to research. There's a two research lab. One of research is Halbeck. So Halbeck research lab, we send the product item. So already finished the test for the sulforapan. So we get certified, but it's not halal, but it's a pork free and alcohol free. So it's not halim things. It's a easily Muslim friendly product. So we got a sticker, so this sticker can be the item. So we put the sticker means it's not halal, but it's workable, eatable for
yeah.
Muslim
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
friends.
Yeah.
We can start
Uh,
with that. Then we can expanding halal. If every product is settled in Malaysia and things good, then we can apply for.
all right. So meaning that what you are saying is that, you got this certification
Yes,
to
done.
this Habak. Can you WhatsApp to me?
Yes, sure. I
I
will
want
send.
to do some research.
Okay.
Uh, I think with that is good enough because why?
This beginning.
Halal is Jakim halal has to go through very long process.
Yes, that's
We might request for a special waiver on that
mm,
because after all, Morocco, if you do that, analysis is purely a plant, substance,
mm,
right?
mm,
Because of course, unless you add other chemicals, into it, whereby there is no element of novine, I mean bovine, or element of non-halal, substance, no.
yeah.
So please do WhatsApp to me that certification, and I will do some, of course, follow up
Mhm.
on what are the requirements if we decide to bring in sulforaphane as a product to market and distribute it in Malaysia
Mhm.
as well as in, of course, ASEAN region.
Mm.
So I have the means to do it. I can find other, market overseas. But of course, it is not going to be under the multi-level company. It's going to be under our company
Mhm.
as an exclusive, marketing distributor of this product. And then
Okay.
after we will find the market. We
Mm.
have to focus first in Malaysia, and then later on, of course, we go to other countries in ASEAN region. All
Mhm.
right. Okay. So I will, of course, Dr. Doran, hopefully after this meeting, and we agreed on following the framework afterwards. We have not covered as much yet. Then of course from your side you come up with the draft of the agreement lah. Okay, looking at the framework, let's not run from this what we call framework. What else, Dorian? We just now we talk about the joint venture project name, not yet. It can come up. That are you agreeable now that based on what Dr. Peter has suggested, that we form a JV company, you know, as a sole agent for EcoWorld Farm
Okay.
to distribute and market this product? Do you agree on
Okay.
that?
To set the JB for network marketing, I agree. But like Peter mentioned, we need this step to for JB. But beginning of the stage, we better start with the sole distribution.
Yes,
So
agreed.
sole
Okay, let's
distribution,
agree
then
on
we
that.
can go without not huge capital injection, not
Yes,
the form the huge investment. So
yeah,
with the sole distribution, you already make money,
yeah,
and these company make money, then own increasing capital as
yeah.
the income, that the incomes can convert to capital
Okay,
injection,
level. Yes,
then can be the 5 million automatically can be
yeah,
the full multi-network marketing
right,
that people apply. So
right,
without not huge investment, can
yeah,
be start over. Also reduce the risk of Equator Farms investment. Otherwise, then
yeah.
if they huge investment, it can be too much the controlling
All
and
right.
management, keeping the financial thing. This
Okay.
is only money for sole distributors expenses. That's all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anything got the money is proper because the without making M&A, I talked to Dr. O, this Malaysia, to have this sole distribution right,
Yeah.
then can be workable. Otherwise, suddenly change finding new partners from Cold Farm.
Yeah.
We are losing time. We lost the time and effort, all the thing. The
Okay.
user, so have to convert to be sole distribution right first. Then
Okay.
eventually can be multi-network marketing
All
for
right.
5 million injections.
Right. Okay. So now that we have agreed to form a company, a joint venture company as a sole distributor.
Yes,
Okay.
agree.
Okay.
A term, how many
What
years?
is okay? The structure wise, and then the name of the company. Okay. Let me share with you my personal opinion about what Dr. Peter mentioned about the channel of distribution. Where he mentioned about the pharmacies. Okay. Uh, if we distribute the product to the pharmaceutical outlets, okay, the impact is not going to be great.
Yep,
Our sale is not going to be going to be on an increment,
yep,
progressive kind of sale. Because why? Pharmaceutical is a standstill, outlet where they put the products there. They don't do A&P and others, to attract potential customers, to take the product. So my personal opinion is that the model of our marketing and distribution of this product will be on uh, appointing stockists, or agents.
I
All right.
see.
So later on, once we have come up with the draft agreement, I will propose to you how we're going to do this distribution.
Okay,
Instead of go to the pharmaceutical outlet. So
okay.
maybe it can be under different brand. We can
Mm,
have two different brand. One, you put it in the pharmaceutical outlet, pharmacies. The other one, it can be another brand where we're going to distribute this product based on the different model where we appoint agents and stockists. Okay,
Mm,
Malaysia. Yeah, that's
mm.
it. Dr. Dorian, what's your response?
Okay. So we agree with that.
Okay,
The beginning with the sole distribution right, then
okay,
later the 5 million, the
right.
multi-network marketing, the beginning.
Yeah,
Uh, and this JV can be the distribution.
yeah,
So what I think is this distribution company as a JV can be located in KL
right.
or Penang, whatever.
Yeah,
But main role is it could be not me and not Peter. It's by you.
okay,
You can be the JV drive force
okay,
person.
all
Hmm.
right, okay, okay.
Then
Agreed on that.
okay,
I will look into the budget of
yeah,
how to get this thing done. Number one is, of course, the product itself.
yep,
In order to have this brand Broco, in Malaysia,
hmm,
we have to submit, for testing to
okay,
the pharmaceutical agency of the Ministry of Health. All
okay,
right. So with that certification, once they approve, then we can do. We have to follow all their requirements, lah. What would be on on the container. What kind of information that we need to put everything. Okay. So I'll do that. I'll take that
okay,
as a lead. But of course there is a budget to it. In order for us, to start doing. Or to start doing this business. But
okay.
of course, okay, coming back this sole distribution shape. For your information, I already have a company by the name of NB Rich Venture Sendiran Berhad.
They
The
have the
company,
right to distribution. The
the
company.
company, well, the company is a dormant company right now.
Okay, so
Okay.
activate. Yeah.
Yeah, so if we can activate it, of course there is I got to check with the company secretary, what are the amount outstanding which I need to pay, because
Um,
every month we have to pay secretarial fees, right?
mm-hmm.
For them to keep the record of our company and submit to SSM. So after this meeting, I'll follow up with you all. If you all agree to take over this company, you know and of course we can restructure, or
Yep.
or we can rename the company.
I
But
think it's a good idea.
yeah, so this company, and be rich, because there is a word rich there. It has a very positive connotation.
Mm.
you know we believe that by having that particular word rich, of course all of us know what is rich is all about. Of course, that would be a good name, unless you want to change. So right now, that is the company that I suggest that we form as a JV company. you know
Okay. What I believe that
yeah.
Dr. World Farm, they charge on the product side.
Okay,
My side, I can be the director of the company also. I can
okay,
charge the Korea the network, Korean connection with the EcoWorld Farm. I'm helping my talent, my work
okay.
for the work properly with the Dr. Eco Farm, my role.
Mm-hmm.
Then my suggestion is the marketing and the Malaysia market, both of you are in charge, but
Right.
not entire South Asia, but Malaysia part.
Okay, okay.
What I think once three of us initiative this JV activated, and if you find the investor, if you find the proper distribution and the sales increasing, then we can hire someone specialized on the other region, South Asia region, to
Yeah,
for the marketing. So then we can increasing 4 or 5 members of directors. But
yeah.
beginning, we can start simply.
In Malaysia first.
Then the sole distribution, I asked to Dr. Farm because I'm worker for this company, JB. So
Okay.
so right goes to here, but without any single money.
Mm-hmm.
Because the pay the huge money, if JB also had a lot of burden, cannot invest too much money to get the product purchasing all the things. So make it simplify. And sole distribution, I might be this one I cannot confirm, but I suggest that at least the 2 years.
Okay.
But but cannot covering entire Southeast Asia, starting with Malaysia.
Malaysia, okay.
Option, if the business like increasing some sales is our certain quantity, we have option to be sole distributor in Southeast Asia, entire country by countryside. So
Okay.
meaning we starting 2 years only exclusive in Malaysia. We're not going anyone. But I know if we take over the Malaysia market, entire South Asia can be taken like ASEM today. Donald Trump and Korea, all the CEO and Prime Minister come to Malaysia. I
Yeah.
know this is the hub, so we don't go further to own entire South Asia exclusivity.
Okay.
Took it Malaysia, that's all I think. So
All right.
here's enough for you.
Oh yeah. Okay then. Okay. Again, coming back to this joint venture company. Again, on the equity, can we confirm again what would be the nature of the
Yep.
equity?
Yep.
What would be the percentage? Okay, are you agreeable? 51% Malaysian partners, 49% Korean.
Okay, this one is the sole distribution mean, like for example, EcoWorldPharm invested, they don't have to be JV. EcoWorldPharm can be set up the company here for the representative company, that's all.
Okay.
If they have, they can hire someone, can be distributor.
Oh.
This means EcoWorldPharm invest huge quantity here, they be a partner, more complicated. So means this JV have a full right of marketing, meaning simply JV take over all the sole right, then by license basis from Korea to this JV, distribution sole right. So it's a
Mhm.
separate. So all the margin, all the price, it depends on the JV structure. I mean
Yeah.
JV decided.
Yes. Yes.
Market
Yes.
wise, so just nothing but purchasing by agreement, purchasing the product from EcoWorldPharm. That's all.
Okay.
Because they can produce the products, they can sell the item, they can submit to all the supporting, but why then take over the whole the things?
Mm.
It is if you really weak on the financially to set up the JB, if you need a lot of money, then we need them. But sole distribution right, we already enough, not much investment to be done. But in case we set up the JV factory here, then we need a big investment from them. So what
Yeah.
I think is you already have the company activated, so you already put the investment already. Then the human capital, so we can be the work on the director. To me, no salary is okay for beginning. No problem for me. I can contribute my talent and my work for this company, JB, without any salary, single cents, no problem. Beginning. So we don't need too much money for this, but these company have so right. So
Mm.
it is secure, have opportunity to get more money. Then after trial finish it, all have to under this company.
Mm.
So and EcoWorldPharm 50/40. So mean is we've defined 5 million. I will ask to them, are you able to invest 40% for sole distribution company? Maybe no. But factory wise or other J, they might be considered. But even that one, not easy to confirm it. 5 million for 5 million for 40% of 5 millions in this stage. So, but we fix it later, starting with the JB with like sole distribution, right? Then the size phase is going bigger. They need a capital injection. Then we can offer the EcoWorldPharm inject the capital to make a 5 million.
Mm.
So mean is,
Okay. Can I come in?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, I just refresh my understanding for both party. Number one, EcoFarm is the product owner.
mm,
Yeah.
brand owner, yes.
Okay, they will license a distributor in Malaysia
Yes.
Mm.
to marketing Procol or whatever product they have.
Mm.
That's the relationship. And the duty of a product owner, obviously, you have to look into the commitments of the product quality, packaging, and pricing.
Mm.
And certain certification must be complied by the Malaysian law.
Right.
By the Malaysian law.
Yeah.
Yes.
That normally the product owner duty of responsibility.
Mm.
That's number one. Go back to the joint venture, then you have to have a company.
Mm.
Since Tatu has a company, it's a
Okay.
dormant company,
Yeah.
let's study the dormant company.
Yep.
How long has been dominant?
Yeah.
What is the yearly auditor fee,
Correct.
secretary fee?
Yes.
Right.
From there, you define whether, as I recap again, when you and you might interested to come in
Mm.
as
Mm.
a JV for a distributor company,
I
Yes.
see.
not manufacturing.
I
Yes.
see. No, no, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, for a distributor, then they have their own role to
Mm.
do. They will give you the best advice how to market to the distributing channel, whether two product, one specifically for the pharmacies or one for stockists.
Mm.
Right.
So that one you can define later.
Mm.
Mm.
Okay, so forget about the dollar and cent because I don't think it's time to talk about that.
I see.
Now is to stress the relationship and define it and clarify it so that everybody understand the role.
Mm.
Once you understand the role and once you understand the market, then the dollar and cent come in.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, now I think it's very premature to
I
talk
see.
about 5 million, 6 million.
Yes,
Let's
that's right.
let's get the ball start.
Yeah.
As
Yes.
Tatu already have a company, it's a dormant company. Let's look into what is the cost
Right.
and who will be the director or whether it's a sort because Tatu has many investors.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a good time we know each other because the before
Yeah.
we don't have a
Structure
clear
it first.
concept. Yeah, but
Yeah.
now after discussion we have the same dream,
Yeah.
plan, ideal things can be realistic. So to me it's a good opportunity.
Okay.
I just sent to COA certified of the items I sent it by for all the halal things. I send it
Yeah.
and we are very serious the business looking in Malaysia as well. So the dollar and cent can be discussable at this moment, but we have the clear the view at least the, what is our destination. So now we can be the same goal and we can go on the market. So to me, one clarify the define the price, set up capital and JV structure. We are almost agree, but we need a one by one. I will send the Excel file so we can clarify more detail later.
Yeah.
At least we can discuss these items.
Yes.
So the other thing I like to get some ideas. What is the marketing, the strategy and plan, except the MLL or even including MLL?
Okay. I'll come up with a proposal on how can we distribute this product, under our marketing plan as a sole distributor.
Right.
Okay. So there are two options here.
Mm.
Number one is of course the pharmacy, which is of course not mobile. They are not dynamic. The other one of way of marketing the product through various channel would be through appointment of agents and stockists.
Mm.
So I've had that experience before, and I am confident that by doing that, we will be able to, of course, achieve our target,
Mm,
the yearly target. So what we need to do now, let me just come up with that framework of how we distribute the products. All
mm,
right. And then later on, once we agree on the formation of this joint venture project,
mm,
Dr. Dorian, you might have to come to KL, and we have to go seriously into, of course, doing the budget.
yep. Mm,
To market and distribute this product.
I
Okay,
see.
so I think each one of us have a role for the next meeting, meaning that I will, of course, under the organization, chart of the joint venture agreement, of course, you have NB Rich Sdn Bhd, and then
Mm,
after that we have a board of directors, and then on the board of directors, for the time being, what you have a CEO there. Okay, so we don't need much stuff yet, until we form up all this, then only we sub up, we need to have a, a what we call a chart whereby to carry out this operation. All right,
mm,
especially on the marketing aspect, and on the accounting side, and all those. That one will come in once, if you possible, Dr. Dorian, we come up with the, like Dr. Peter mentioned about the role and
mm.
responsibilities of each party
Yes,
in the
that's
joint
correct.
venture project. Okay, come up with the, draft agreement first, and then of course the costing will come in later.
Mm-hmm,
All of us have to do our homework. Like me, I have gone through. I know what are the costs involved. All
mm-hmm.
right. So and then we put that, in proper order when you come to KL. So
Okay.
now it's more of, doing this some brainstorming session. After that, I think once we look at the whole agreement, and then looking at again the proposed budget, then only I think we have to seriously, of course, form up who are going to be in the board, who is going to, of course, become the CEO to run this company,
Yeah.
and do the marketing, and distribution of the
Okay.
product.
I've
May I
fully.
suggest, Dr. Dorian,
Yeah.
in addition to sulforane,
Yeah.
I'm hoping that we can have that sleeping product.
Yes.
Right.
I'm fully confirmed. I'm fully got a confidence because we are expertise. We are professional. We are not just a
Yeah.
smart startup company.
Yes.
And I also have even the EcoWorldPharm have slipping the products,
Right.
also the other items as well.
Yeah.
In this sense, I have a full of connection to want to distribute in the Malaysia market.
Okay.
Health, pharmaceutical, many things.
Yeah.
So the JB can be a great opportunity once you started with this. Uh,
Yes.
Equal Farm also can be others. So as a sole distribution, not easily find the right items,
Yeah.
not easily find the right person to discuss, but I'm the right person to you and Peter. So
Okay.
meaning we can start from this scratch.
Yeah.
The legal thing, we can work at the same time. We can start to marketing and selling the items.
Yes.
Then you can usually make cash. And we also need the time to check out the market, whether
Right.
work or not, what is the local problem issues. So what I'm thinking is all the even the preliminary, even the this stage, we will give like optional sole right, sole
Mm.
distribution right to you and your company. Then we can start,
Yeah.
but not legally binding because the legal binding starts from JB.
Mm.
Before in preliminary, we can give the right, so you can sell. You from now, we
Yeah.
can start, and the halal certification will be done later. But now, this COA is enough to review. This is a workable, no alcohol, no ethanol, no pork free, and no pork. So this we can sell, and we give a very good price for distribution because it's a test period. So I
Okay.
will confirm with the EcoWorld Farm all the item for no margin
Yeah.
because it's promotion period. So as a no margin price, you can figure it out the price in locally.
Right. 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 Okay.
Even like actual 3 set, 4 set doesn't matter. Even the distribution with the 30 set, 50 set, like a more localized.
Yeah.
So we can get idea. We can even the start to sell. Even
Can. Can.
because you already witnesses my diabetes, my high blood pressures is gone. So
Yeah.
I'm the own the witnesses also. There's so many cases. Somebody have hair, and Peter just start just 1 week, 1 month. We
Mm.
don't know he can be the witness after one more month. So
Mm.
this one comes automatically. Many things happen to me,
Yeah.
and so
Yeah,
in
we need testimonies. We need testimonies, you know.
the beginning,
Testimonial.
like your chip of tattoo chips,
Yeah.
and like even the agong whatever, like in a tunku, we
Yeah.
give them, then they be a testimonial because the all the diabetes gone. My
Yeah.
friends, all my father, all diabetes, high blood pressure is gone. It's like
Yeah.
a miracle. And this one can be the stem cell, the people's. I met the doctor, the Mike Chen also. We give the injectable items also,
Yeah.
but many items, and we can expand it. So I'll ask as many as possible from them as a sample, so we
Yeah.
can
Sample first. Yes.
very cheap prices, like the product cost, because it's promotion period. We
Mm.
give to shipping to you as a kind of sole distributor, right? Then you make money. We find the witnesses. The business already done, the
Mm.
structures. So then why don't you set up the JB properly? Then why don't you make some the multinational marketing own, or why don't you make them got some investment from government, then make a big factory? So this framework, we today I will confirm it that way. So
Okay.
we can start JVs from scratch, and we study for the legal work from now,
Right.
and also sole distributor right. We can send the samples and trial from beginning.
Okay.
We
All right.
start selling, make some cash. So I
Okay.
think that's workable.
Okay. I think that's good. I think so far, going forward, it looks like, hopefully, that relationship between the Malaysian partners and the Korean counterpart will be enhanced further. Uh, well, when you come to Malaysia, you got to bring those samples first. You
Yes,
know,
sure.
so meaning, are you suggesting that for the time being, to not waste our time, you bring in the products where we market your product as per your product? Is
Yeah,
that what you're saying?
yeah. You can define, you can study, and you can define the prices. So to me,
Yeah,
we give
correct. We
them.
have to study on the pricing. Of course.
Yes, yes,
What will be our margin? What will be the agent's margin? What will be the stockist margin? There will
yes,
be only three level here.
yes.
One,
Simple.
we as a sole distributor, then we will appoint agents. What will be their margin? And then we will appoint stockists.
Yes,
So
that's right.
meaning the approach will be, I will look for leaders. Okay,
Mm,
I will look for agents who have been involved in this type of products
yeah.
to market our products.
Okay.
Okay, so once this agent achieves, I'm able to have confidence that this agent can do the job, then
Yeah.
we'll appoint that agent as a stockist.
Yes, that's
Okay,
right. That's right.
so this you see what I'm looking at, this marketing approach is based on the what we call looking at the okay, in Malaysia.
Mm,
uh, I'm looking at the region in terms of district. You
mm,
know, in
mm.
Malaysia we have the district,
Sabah, Sarawak, yes.
right? And from district level, then we go into the smaller, area, where they
Yes,
can. But again, pricing, if it is expensive, rural population cannot afford to buy the product, as you know. Okay, so again, we have to look at what is our market positioning.
right.
Are we going to tackle more on the high end market, or is it going to be the mass market? How are we
Yes.
going to look at it?
Yeah.
So we will do that. I'm doing some research right now. Then once you come to KL to form up, this setup and form up on the agreement of the joint venture project, then of course when you bring in the sample, I myself will start doing the marketing. I
Okay.
will do it first. Okay.
Okay.
I got to be confident. I
Okay.
have to be the testimony of the products.
Yes, you
Then
already
only
did
I
that.
can, then only I can
You look
convince
very good now. I can tell you have very fine skin.
ah, you see,
Yeah.
Dr. Peter also looks good there. Dr.
Yeah.
Peter, what did you take? Sulforaphane?
Well, I think they have a good product. As I say, it's
Yeah.
the product is unique in the sense that it looks very premium because
Yeah,
I have not
I know.
seen any supplement come in the form of refrigeration.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. I think
So
we will
that,
sell that
that
as a
was
unique
something
product.
different from
Yes.
other supplements.
But remember, Dr. Dorian, I
Mm.
mentioned to you about the capsule.
Yep.
You know, the capsule it cannot be novine. It cannot have this element of pork. You
No,
know.
not at all. No, no
So,
gelatin.
okay, the gelatin comes from what? Plant
Plan,
extract
plan,
or?
plan. Yeah,
Okay,
we
good.
got the certified. I already sent the.
Yes, I need that.
You can
Huh?
check. Yeah,
Mm,
it's no any gelatin at all. And for
okay,
the vegetarian things,
good,
also
good, good, good.
this sulforapan, the capsule one.
Yeah,
Before you sleep, you took
yeah,
it and sleep. Better to digest.
yeah,
Because
of course.
you wake up in the morning, you can tell the differences.
Yeah, I know, I know.
Morning one tablet, but what I do, beginning in the just before sleep, I took the two pills.
Yeah,
Sometimes
I took
yes,
two early morning,
yes, but
but I
better
have this
better to before the
some
sleep.
kind of side effect. I
Oh,
feel
diarrhea,
yeah, not diarrhea.
vegetable thing.
I don't feel good like in my stomach. Like
Yes,
butterfly in my stomach.
it's like too much like garlic when you eat too much.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
But
But later on, after hour later, then only I don't. I back to normal.
yeah, that's why when you took the sleep, you don't know what happening, but in the morning you can tell your
Yeah. At night, huh?
erection. So
Yeah. Good,
it's
good.
the same.
Because
So I do in the morning only one,
yeah,
evening two. But
and
after
that
everything set up, one is okay enough.
yeah. So, Dr. Dorian,
Mm,
I need some narrative, a script, about sleeping as well as sulforaphane. I want to start
I
marketing.
see.
You know,
Understand the
so
information. Mm. So
okay,
now we do we set up the form like all the Excel file we have, and this can be the recorded. I will put this record file on our
yeah, you put
folder.
this record
I
file.
will
Yeah,
set up the formal. I mean the share folder. I
yeah,
will inform the all the PPT document,
yeah.
so you can change the word whatever like you.
Can.
I can posting.
Yeah, and also, the slides.
I
Okay,
will. Yeah.
slide is very important.
Yes.
Benefits,
We
of
can
getting
modify. Yeah.
sleeping.
Okay.
So that one later on, I can convert that into Bahasa Malaysia,
Yeah.
into my language. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
So of course we do it in English. All right. You all come up with that the slides.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Today, to wrap up this way,
Yeah.
we can set up the meeting like regularly, like
Yes.
this week. So now on the Kota Kinabalu. So next week, when I go back to Korea, we will form again with the Dr. O
Okay.
at World Farm, so we can discuss together. Like
Right.
maybe next Tuesday, no confirm yet, but next Tuesday is mostly I discuss with the Dr. O. So
Okay.
Tuesday evening time, I mean the lunchtime, we can discuss.
Yeah.
So like whatever we discuss, I will inform him and I will confirm it, and we start. I will share the files as well.
Okay.
And okay, so and next time I will fly over to
Yeah.
KL
Yeah.
to maybe the Rosalind's office. At the
Yeah.
same time, you better to come to Korea like Peter. Peter went today, and Peter saw the people there. Then he like clearly understand. So to you, you have to fly over to Korea. I can hosting you, guiding you. So
Yeah.
you have to come to the Ecuador farm, and you
Yeah.
see the variety factory also thing. Feel
Okay.
the checking. Then you got more confidence. You
Yeah.
so many
Yeah.
people who are witnesses who've been cured. You look younger and have a high white colored hair, so you
Okay.
can meet them. So
All
we
right.
will happy to come to.
Can. So I feel that once you come to KL, then there will be more progress about what we have discussed. You know,
Right.
I'm studying
Yes.
about on the marketing aspect. Uh, so
Mm.
like you say, to reduce cost, maybe we stick to whatever brand that you have now. In Korean, is it?
Yeah.
So we'll see what will be the response from the Malaysian market. So
Okay.
if not, if we have to do the new packaging, okay, for the
Okay.
Malaysian market. We'll talk about that when you come back. When you come to KL. Don't forget
mm,
to bring in, the sleeping
mm,
sample,
mm,
as well as, of course, more on the sulforaphane.
mm.
I will talk to the president of the Datuk Malaysia Chamber of
Yeah,
Commerce,
yeah, yeah,
see whether he can help me to introduce this product to the Selangor
yeah.
royalty. Okay,
Right. Yes.
so and maybe we can come up with a understanding MOU, whereby we supply this product to them,
Yeah,
and they need to give us a testimony.
yeah.
You know,
Okay.
so
Yep.
we'll discuss on that once you come to KL.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
all
Very
right,
good.
very
Yeah.
good. I think we have a very successful meeting this
Yes.
morning.
Very
I'm
productive.
happy that we are on the same page.
Yeah.
We want this product to be successfully marketed and distributed in Malaysia first.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, and
I
let's
had
make
a,
money. Let's make money. Most important is money.
yes. I had a very good day with the Peter last night. So we had a
Oh,
nice restaurant. I mean, nice seafood restaurant with a nice
mhm.
sunset.
Oh,
So
you're in KK now,
yeah,
Donald?
that's why
Oh,
we told you coming. You coming to
I
KK.
know.
Doctor will cancel. My also cancel, but
Yeah.
actually I don't want to wasting. So
Okay.
I'm keeping my family back to here.
All
So
right. Good.
thank you so much for
All right.
the very
Enjoy
productive.
your stay. Enjoy your stay in KK.
Yeah, thank you so
All right.
much.
I
Yeah.
told Peter that Sabah is my second home actually.
Oh, next time,
I'm
next
looking
time.
forward to come to KK soon, because
Yeah,
I got the market there also.
yeah.
I got a market there.
When you come, I will confirm because
I got a
without you,
potential distributor to distribute your product in KK. I got
yes, yes,
dealers there.
yes. Next
Okay.
time we can do.
I
Okay,
mean,
thank you, Peter.
Kira.
Thank you, Dato. Yeah,
Okay. Thank
great
you very
time.
much.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Great week. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.